Okay, I'm so grateful for being here. Thank you, Linda. It was an amazing, amazing event. You gave us the opportunity to shine, to share with so many beautiful ladies, and I'm so looking forward for the next one. You're awesome. You're amazing. You're a giver. And I hope next time we have like 1,000 people coming, because what they are missing here is like, woo! Thank you very much, Linda. You're great.
Hi, this is Julia, and I've just enjoyed the open mic event the day after Christmas, and it was a really fun event to get together with like-minded people, encourage each other, be encouraged, and get ready to start 2016. So thank you, Linda, for putting on a great event.
My name is Infinity Swaim, and I was here today at the Speakers Open Mic inaugural event, and it was just such a great time, really watching all of these people who have just been inspired in different ways was indeed inspiring. Thank you, Linda, for putting this on, and I cannot wait for the next one, and I know that this is going to snowball and grow, and I can't wait to see more and more people come. It was wonderful. Thank you.